Today I'm going to show you how to edit an image in the Keynote app. First, we have to open up the app. And here it opens up like this. Here we have a document. From here, we just go into the top row, click on the view, and then we click on show adjust image. And here we have some basic image adjustments. Let's see. We want to adjust this one. We can do it like this. Move this slider. And then we can set the exposure as well. And everything else. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.